These 7 free certifications could completely transform your freelance career and you could start earning more within the next few weeks. Certifications give you credibility before you even open your mouth. And when they're free, there is literally no excuse not to stack them and prove to your client why they should pick you. Let's start. Number 1 is the SEO Fundamental Certification from SEMrush Academy. If you do any kind of work that touches the internet, then understanding search engine optimization is non-negotiable. This certification teaches you how organic traffic works, how people search for things online, and how you position content so it gets found without spending a single dollar on ads. Think about that for a second. You learn how to drive consistent views to any digital content for free. Whether you're building your own freelance brand or delivering SEO services to clients, this credential is globally recognized and it is fundamental to know since it is evolving now to make AI searches include your content. I personally have multiple certifications from SEMrush Academy, and yes, I do apply what I've learned. Number 2 is the Inbound Marketing Certification from HubSpot Academy. Here is where things start getting really interesting because this one fundamentally changes how you think about getting clients. Most freelancers are out there cold pitching and sending desperate messages begging for work. This course teaches you the opposite approach. You learn how to create systems that attracts clients to you. It walks you through the entire journey from stranger to lead to paying customer using content funnels and strategic positioning. When you understand inbound marketing, you stop chasing and start attracting. Number 3 is Project Management Essential Certificate from Disaster Ready. This 5-hour assessment-based course teaches you the universal principles of planning, designing, and executing complex projects. A great introduction to one service highly demanded and remotely performed. But here's the magic. Even if you don't want to be a project manager, it gives you the tools to deal with multiple clients, meeting deadlines, revisions, and coordinating your projects internally. Number 4 is the Responsive Web Design Certification from FreeCodeCamp. This one is a beast. We're talking about 300 hours of project-based learning that teaches you HTML, CSS, and Flexbox from scratch. Now, why would a freelance need to know how to code in the AI era? Because owning your own digital hub changes everything. And if you want to offer web design as a service to clients, you now have a portfolio of projects you built during the course itself. 300 hours is a serious commitment, but the payoff, in terms of hard skill, is massive. Number 5 is the Content Marketing Certification, also from HubSpot Academy. Content is the engine that drives everything online. This course goes deep into copywriting, storytelling, idea generation, and editorial planning. If you write scripts, newsletters, social media copy, or anything that requires words to persuade and engage, this certification is essential. It teaches you how to create narratives that hook people and keep them coming back. For freelancers, especially those building faceless brands or content businesses, this is the skill that makes everything else work. Number 6 is Elements of AI from the University of Helsinki. This 30-hour course cuts through all the hype and teaches you how artificial intelligence actually works, for real. As a modern freelancer, AI is your ultimate tool. When you genuinely understand the technology, you stop using it like a toy and start using it like an ally. Research gets faster, ideation becomes more creative, production workflows get streamlined. This course gives you that foundational understanding so you can integrate AI into your freelance business intelligently, rather than just copying and pasting prompts like everyone else. And now number 7, the Google Analytics certification from Google Skillshop. Of course, we could not live without including a Google certification. This one in particular was updated this year. You learn how to set up GA4, track user behavior, measure traffic sources, and interpret conversion data. Why does this matter so much? Because clients are desperate looking for people who can interpret and make use of their analytics. When you can sit down and say, I drove this much traffic and it converted at this rate, and here's the data to prove it, you become irreplaceable. Data literacy is the ultimate differentiator. This certification makes you the person who knows. Now, here's the real strategy. Do not just collect these certifications like badges. Stack them intentionally. Combine SEO with Google Analytics, and suddenly you are a freelancer who can drive traffic and prove results. Pair content marketing with inbound marketing, and you become someone who creates compelling content that systematically converts strangers into customers. Add project management on top and you are running your freelance operation like a real business. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one certification from this list and start it this week. Not tomorrow, not next month, this week. Then come back to this video and drop a comment telling me which one you chose. If you got value from this video, smash that like button and subscribe to Geekonomy Garage. I will see you in the next one. GG's.